Hello, and welcome to RoboForm. Before we begin adding your passwords, let's make sure your RoboForm extension is pinned for easy access and visibility. Now that the extension is pinned, let's add some passwords to RoboForm. The easiest way to add passwords is by having RoboForm save them for you. When you visit a website and log in, RoboForm will offer to save your credentials. After being saved, your logins will appear in the RoboForm browser extension and on the Start page where you can log in with just one click. If you would prefer to add your logins manually instead of automatically when logging into a site, you can do so through the blue plus button in the bottom right corner of the Start page. Simply select the website you want to create a RoboForm login for, add the username and password, and click the Save button. Another way to easily add passwords to RoboForm is to import them from a previously used password manager. You can import these passwords into RoboForm by simply clicking the password manager you want to import from and following the steps which will appear. Here, I will import a CSV file which contains the passwords I've exported from my Chrome password manager. After the import is completed, all the passwords I exported from Chrome will now be available in RoboForm where I can use them to log in with just one click. You're now ready to start using RoboForm like a champion.